Hello traders, welcome to Successful Trading. We are going to review in this video the past week best trades with the expiration on August the 12th. So let's just go ahead and jump in. Hopefully here we'll have the time to definitely go and look at some of the charts that we traded, especially two stocks. What I want to bring up first, the best trade happened on Tesla and Oracle. More on Oracle, we have the detail here. I downloaded my exact trade on the spreadsheet, so we will go quickly over that. Let's start with Tesla. So I need to bring up the trade on Tesla. Tesla has been mostly ranging over the past, this is the daily chart of Tesla since the month of June or so, just sideways, and definitely broke out after all of that consolidation. So, bang. So here's this. If somebody trade inside of E-Trade, this is how it looks like, right? So it shows a buy of the 365 call at $1.03. So all of the buys they will have a minus if you are ever seeing the trade inside of E-Trade. So here, the 365 call from $1.03, meaning $103 in real money, right? Yes. In terms of commission, I've told you before, yes, I pay $35 per contract. So that's just because I've been trading with them for the longest of time. So sold that one at 354. That's over three times, over 200%, 250% profit there. Then the one that we really traded on Friday, so that was on the 11th, yeah, the date is here. So the one that we really traded the most on Friday was the 380. The 380 calls from 210 they went to I sold them at 570. So that's over 360 bucks there on Tesla. So bullish on here. So overall, where can Tesla go? Tesla, as of now, after breaking out of this, we look to the left, just trying to see any resistance. Last time that this actually burst and then starts galloping on the upper Bollinger Band, it went all the way to 483. I'm not suggesting that that's the case, but I'm just showing the potential of how the stock can move, right? There's FOMC catalyst this coming Wednesday. We hope to be trading live. So Tesla is definitely on the watch list going forward into this new week. So that was one of them. Other that were on the watch list. If I can bring the watch list here just quickly. So other than we're moving on the watch list, definitely MU was a stock that's moved greatly this past week. I think more MU gained 15%. So if I can bring my Discord. Okay, so let's say, so our watch list provided a great opportunity all over the place. Baba was another one. Okay, I'm just trying to bring this. Okay, here we go. So here's the watch list. Inside, I didn't have much time to paste everything that was going on here. But for instance, here's Baba. A 10 bagger here on Baba, 16 cents contract on the watch list that you could have we could have tracked all the way to $1.19. So definitely there were plenty of movement on there. So just as we are here, let's go ahead and preview the watch list for next week all at once before I go to the biggest trade of for last week. So you can see here, this is the watch list for September the 19th. So it's capturing the movement that because the watch list came out on Thursday, right? So it captured the movement that Baba had on that day, which was a 12 bagger, and MU here, which I just spoke about. So if, let's say, not if, as you see, that's on the watch list. The contract at the time when I did the screen capture to create the watch list, it's saying that MU was up on that Thursday, expiring next Friday, 976%. But imagine then what was the starting point on Thursday if 976% give you $1.38. That okay, if you convert to a 10 bagger, that means these were like 13 cents, 14 cents, folks. That's what I mean. If we do quick math. Okay, so let's take care of that. Let's come then to the big trade of the week, the biggest trade of the week. And my friend, this happened in both directions for me. So in any case, I do not really trade earnings per se. You know that. I mean, I trade earning afterward. But this one, let me bring here what happened here for us on this past Thursday. So the stock gap, well, a gap from 240 before earnings to this huge, what's the huge number here? So to 319. Yeah. Well, I happen to have a call um, going into the earning. This is it here. So we are going to accept my trade. These are all my trades. You just go to eTrade and download them. So I'm hiding my account there for security reason. I've had my share of surprise before. So I try to color code everything, right? So the same color code show you the buy and the sell. So this $55 contract, the next day, literally, I think not. I think at the open, I just wanted to get my money. This contract actually here went all the way to $40 plus. Kid you not, kid you not. This contract went to $4 plus. But here I sold it for $18. What's the percentage gain on there if you want? So you can say that. So you say this uh plus this, yeah. Plus I'm saying plus normally is a minus because it's negative number divided by the negative number. But I mean, okay, never mind. So we are just going to say okay, minus $56 if you want, yeah, divided by $56 because with those parentheses there. uh, yeah, oh yeah, okay, but it's not dollars, it's not dollars, percentage. So this is 3,167%. Imagine, okay, maybe I need then to redo the thumbnail for this, but then for me that's not a strategy that's I really use. Rather, after earning is what's really for me. I like the trading of this because so there was notice here before earning, right? The earning happened after market on the 9th. So on the 10th I closed that one, so huge profit on the 3,000%. Then on the 11th, this is what I got on here. So color coding, this is a buy at the 277 expiring next week. So meaning I still hold some, right? So expiring next week, taking them $80, 96. I know here actually there are two of them here. So meaning that average down, something that's usually we don't do. Then I start just getting them out starting on the 11th. So this one here, 148 from 48. That's pretty good there. Then this one here is then 295. So on Friday, then ready. So 73 cents. Yeah, there are two of them on here. 73 cents is the price that I'm paying for the commission. So two of them, 40 something dollars on this buy. So 45 at 45 buy. Then 100% I'm taking partial profit, folks. Yeah, this is an opportunity for learning here for us. So you buy a contract at 45. When it goes to 100%, when I sell this, yeah, this is sold to close, then the trade can no longer be a now I'm playing with house money that I could get on. I took it out because it's on a Friday, yeah, took it out at 142 there. So the trade provided 142 gain straight up because the other one was sold pretty much at the same price than the other one. And then this one, the 300, what was is this one the 300? The 300 blue color bought at 189, sold at 441. So and then sold another 277 from the buy here. Yeah, the buy here was 48, sold another one at 238, which means I'm still having some left based on this buy. Okay, I wanted to share the best trade that we had on this past week on Tesla, on ORCL. MU was one of them, BABA was one of them. Going into FOMC this coming Wednesday, we will be doing a live trading session on here on this channel. So we hope that you will join us for more live trading opportunity. Until then, have a great day, have a great evening wherever you're watching from. Bye bye.